each and every time. For finding that, we have draft analysis. We'll see, look into that. We will have another option called draft analysis. That is the simplest option method to find out. See, this is simpler part. That is why we are creating core and cavity. If it is a complex part, it is not easy to create the core and cavity.
Core and cavity,
yeah. For understanding purpose, we are creating each features for core, cavity, and slider. So, if this feature is on side of this part, if this feature is on the bottom, right, on the main tooling direction itself, no need to go for any sliders. I will tell you. Yeah. See, I'll just show you that how it will work. Once again, I'm going to create one sketch. See now. See now I have given the sketch position. By default, you have to take the positioned sketch and select the reference line where you have to draw. Yeah. By default, it is taking the center point. But I want to take the reference. This vertical and horizontal is nothing but your reference point. So I want to have my reference from this point. So just I have to click this point. So by default, from this point it will take the reference. But generally we have to follow with this thing, point. Whatever the center point you have created, from the point you have to create. So whatever the part you created, you started from this edge, right? Always try to keep this axis at the center. See, for example, I'm going instead of circle, what I will do, I will create a rectangle. So that easily the symmetry, everything can be easy for you. So I'm going to do is I'm going to create one rectangle so that this centered rectangle I'm taking. So I'm taking this point as the center. So that measurement will be easy for me, and whatever the axis I have, it will have the symmetry part. So just I will make one square. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to remove this material. So I have removed this one. By default, what will happen? My core will get updated because whenever the surface is there, it will get updated. But in this case, it is not updated. The reason is I have to give these fillets. If I would have given the fillet right, maybe there is a chance of taking this profile also as a tangency. Just I will tell you. See, now it has to update, right? This brown part is our core. It has to update this cutout. It is not updated. The reason is we have to provide some flow between the top surface just I have given this one. Even though it won't sufficient, I have to take this one as the filler. Just for showing purpose, I am creating it.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, I have not selected this surface. That is why
Mhm.
it in different. See, by default, because of this fillet, it is taking this surface also.
Okay.
When it is mandatory, everybody should participate. Karthik will call me. This is different. Karthik will whatever shared, that is different one. Ah, ah. அதான் அந்த ஃபார்ம்ல வந்து என்ன அப்படின்னா எல்லாருமே ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 2 years 3 years 5 years I am going to organize that one. That is asking you for this volunteer. Time over, man. You don't have option. No, no, no. This is the old one. Okay. Hmm. So you okay. Okay. Ah, okay. Ah, plus.